Hello everyone, today's video is about the top 3 best synthetic oils in 2023. We examine the top synthetic oils to assist you in getting the most out of your engine. Oil changes might be tedious, but replacing the goop in your engine assures long-term performance. Although traditional oil can be used, the best synthetic oils can strengthen your engine and keep it running smoothly. But how can you know which one is best for your vehicle? This comprehensive analysis will examine some of the best synthetic motor oils on the market in terms of the benefits they provide your engine. We'll also discuss the distinction between full synthetic and synthetic mix oils, as well as a few industry jargon to assist you choose the optimum oil for your engine. Number 1. Best overall, Mobil 1, Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is a complete synthetic built for the long haul from the NASCAR-approved brand. It ranks top on our list of the finest synthetic oils because Mobil 1 promises that its formula protects important engine parts for 1 year or up to 20,000 miles, whichever comes first. Its use of additives that prevent oil breakdown and provide good sludge and deposit prevention also contributed to its high ranking. The oil has current API and International Lubricant Specification Advisory Committee (ILSAC) licenses and is compatible with a variety of Ford and General Motors lubricants. It also works in vehicles ranging from everyday drivers to high-performance automobiles to trucks and diesel engines. Important characteristics: 20 cents per fluid ounce. ILSAC GF6A requirements for low-speed pre-ignition designed to prevent and clear sludge buildup in automobile engines. Has an oxidation-controlling ingredient to keep oil from breaking down, rated for up to 20,000 miles of protection. Number 2, Best Budget Oil, Castrol GTX, Magnatech Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Drivers searching for complete synthetic oil with high performance at a low cost can choose He Castrol GTX Magnatech range, which we named Best Budget Oil. Castrol claims that its protection is 6 times more than industry norms, using the Sequence EVA test, which assesses typical engine wear. The GTX formula is compatible with the second generation of General Motors Dexos 1 registered oil in viscosity grades 0W20, 5W20, and 5W30. Along with the low price, this complete synthetic oil adheres to important engine parts throughout the drive cycle, reducing the amount of wear that occurs during idle and stop-and-go driving. Important characteristics: $1.31 per fluid ounce additive molecules that adhere to the engine throughout the driving cycle. API negative 49 degrees Celsius pour point provides above average sludge prevention. In temperate regions, it works well. Number 3, Shell Rotella T6 Synthetic Engine Oil may be a winner for diesel owners seeking synthetic engine oil. This solution from the Netherlands-based business promises a 1.5% gain in fuel economy over 15W40 oils, although it is recommended that drivers follow their manufacturer's recommendations for optimal results. The Rotella cocktail has additives that assist guard against soot, grit, and other debris, and the oil has better wear protection over prior generations of diesel engine lubricants. It also outperforms prior API CJ4 lubricants. In terms of engine protection, important characteristics: 19 cents per fluid ounce, increased fuel efficiency, formulation with little ash for better emissions. Why you should believe us: every year, we evaluate approximately 1,000 automobiles before providing suggestions. Our team of product specialists meticulously examines top goods and tests them on real automobiles where feasible. We publish hundreds of product and service evaluations to provide extensive advice on automotive tools, cleaning kits, car seats, pet items, and much more to automobile enthusiasts. Check out our channel for additional information on our testing approach and how we rate each product. You wanted the best, and you got it for your need, but if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. We'll be pleased to answer any questions you have as best we can, and while you're down there, let us know what you think. Let us know if you liked our video and found it useful. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notification bell. We've got a lot more videos heading your way, so we look forward to seeing you.